Harley Davidson just filed paperwork that could point to two brand new motorcycles. Two mysterious names, RMCR and RMXR, just showed up in trademark filings, and if you know Harley's recent history, these aren't random letters. Let's break down what they mean, and why they've got the motorcycle world talking. On July 29, 2026, Harley Davidson submitted trademark applications for two names, RMCR and RMXR. Now, a trademark filing on its own doesn't guarantee a bike is coming. Plenty of names get filed and never reach a showroom, the Bronx being a good example of that. But it does show the company is serious enough about these projects to put them on paper with the government. And that's usually a strong signal something real is in the works. Let's start with RMCR. This name traces back to a Café racer concept Harley Davidson has quietly been teasing at events like the Mama Tried Show in Milwaukee, Daytona Bike Week, and the MotoGP round in Austin. It's a modern take on a style Harley hasn't touched since the XLCR back in the late 1970s. Think low bars, a tucked-in seat, and a much sportier stance than anything currently in Harley's lineup. CEO RT Stars even addressed it directly during the company's first quarter earnings call, describing the buzz around the concept as extraordinary and hinting riders could eventually see it reach the market. That was back in May, and this new trademark filing keeps that door wide open. Then there's RMXR, filed on the very same day. Harley hasn't shown a dedicated concept for this one yet, but the name gives us a big clue. It echoes the legendary XR 750 flat tracker and the XR 1200 street bikes sold between 2006 and 2013. Here's the key difference. Those older XR 1200 models used Harley's air-cooled Sportster engine. The RM in RMXR points to something else entirely, the liquid-cooled Revolution Max engine. An earlier flat-track-inspired prototype leaned on XR 1200 styling cues, including a high-mounted exhaust similar to the one on the Sportster S. Expect the production version, if it happens, to evolve quite a bit from that early prototype, just like the RMCR has. During Harley's Back to the Bricks business plan presentation, the company laid out its planned lineup through 2027 and 2028. The RMCR appears to use the 1250cc version of the Revolution Max engine, placing it in a mid to premium price bracket, somewhere in that $10,000 to $40,000 range. It's less clear whether the RMXR will share that same 1250cc engine, or use the smaller 975cc version found in the Nightster and Nightster S. That choice will decide exactly where the flat tracker lands in Harley's future lineup, and how it's priced against the competition. If Harley sticks to the timeline it shared, we could see more official details on the RMCR as early as this fall, positioned as a 2027 model. The RMXR might follow on a similar schedule, or Harley could reveal a prototype first, with full production pushed to 2028. Either way, these filings suggest Harley Davidson is serious about expanding beyond cruisers and touring bikes into genuinely sporty territory.